Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a very innovative organizer that will make you remember things easily. Take a cardboard, cut the middle part according to the breadth you want. You can either cover the sides with a color paper or paint it. Take a long strip of paper that is broader than the cardboard. Fold it from all the sides. Using a sellotape or glue, stick it. Do it on all the sides. Now take strings of wool. Turn the cardboard and stick the strings in a zigzag way as shown in the video. After that, tape it. After sticking it, cut the excess wool. Cut small circles in a color paper. Here I am taking 4 circles. Fold them 4 times. It will look like a small triangle. Cut the triangle like so. This will make a small intricate flower. Stick it anywhere in the cardboard. Cut few paper squares and write down your notes, things that you have to remember, etc. You can attach these pieces of squares using a paper pin or a wooden clip. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.